When it comes to understanding of the topic, there are four aspects. The first is education and literacy. The second is human health and nutrition. The third is economic participation, and the last is violence and discrimination. Firstly, I'll talk about education and literacy. As we know, education is such a powerful tool for empowerment, but unfortunately, there is still a big gender gap. Women's literacy stands at 70%. Among them, 32 to 35% are educated, 25 to 35% are corporate workers, and 50 to 55% are homemakers compared to the 84%. Now, I'll move to health and nutrition. Equally critical is health and nutrition. Poor health of childbearing women hold back an entire generation. According to the NFHS, 14 to 16% in India reported to have poor health. Now, thirdly, economic participation. It is another area of concern. While women contribute significantly to the economy, they represent only 23% of the workforce. Lastly, I'll talk about violence and discrimination. They continue to disturb women despite legal reforms. Abuse, physically and mentally, remains uncontrolled, limiting women's freedom and opportunities. Now, I'll move on to the second slide, that is vision. When it comes to vision, how can I forget Mahatma Gandhi? There's a wise quote said by him that if you want to empower the society, empower the women first. Indian government has taken steps towards women empowerment such as Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao schemes and initiatives like Stand Up India to promote and support women in business. Looking ahead, the next 20 years, we must focus on real impactful change. Firstly, we must give equal access to education for all the girls. Secondly, economic policies must promote equal pay and more job opportunities. Thirdly, strengthening legal protection is also important. And lastly, healthcare and nutrition programs will ensure women to contribute fully to the society. Now, I'll move on to the third slide, that is identification and definition of the problem. Women's empowerment in India faces deep-rooted challenges that goes beyond education, economic participation, and health. One of the major issues is social conditioning that limits girls to dream, to achieve what they want. Secondly, limited representation in leadership roles. Thirdly, access to resources, and especially in rural areas. Fourthly, and lastly, the definition. To achieve true empowerment, social structures and attitude must be changed for how they look towards women. Now, I'll move on to the fifth slide, that is means to resolve. Firstly, changing societal mindset is essential. Secondly, increasing women's representation in leadership is equally important. Thirdly, strengthening legal protection is the key, and women should have access to justice and that their rights are protected at every level. Finally, investing in a healthcare is also essential. The government must take care of maternal and also reproductive health services, especially in rural areas. Pregnant women should get free healthcare services also. Now I'll move on to the last slide, that is conclusion. Firstly, mind shift to change the perception of women as secondary of men. Enforcing laws to combat violence and discrimination against women. Supporting women in the workforce with equal pay and flexible policies and entrepreneurship opportunities is also important. Thank you.
किती वेळ झाला? 3.5 तू अजून एक्सप्लेन करू शकतो. अजून तुला काय सांगता येईल सांग विदाउट माइंडसेट चेंज इन द सोसायटी.
By mindset, what I mean is how they look towards women. They think that we women can't do anything without the men's support. We want to individually stand in the society. So by mindset is what I mean.
अजून तुला काय वाटतं तू सांग. कारण तुझ्याकडे 1.5 मिनिट शिल्लक असताना तुझं एक्सप्लेनेशन संपलं. तू अजून फोकस करू शकते.
Ma'am, can you change to resolve? Your access to justice and legal protection, I will talk a little bit about it. By legal protection, I think in India we should focus on women's security by giving more attention to the cyberbullying. We should have strict laws for them. CCTV cameras and lights should be around the public areas, especially where there is more darkness, so that women will feel more comfortable to step out of the house. While we step out of the house, we think that is it safe for us? Will we return home safely? I think that's what we should not think while stepping out. I'm sorry ma'am, but तेवढं मला deep माहिती नाही.
You know about
हाँ, ते women त्यांच्या ह्याच्यासाठी त्यांनी
Women's की children's?
चिल्ड्रन्स
जर तू सिलेक्ट झाली तर अजून तुला खूप प्रयत्न करायची गरज आहे.
ओके मॅम.
तुझं बाकी प्रेझेंटेशन
छान.
व्यवस्थित होतं पण तू 1.5 मिनिट
एक्सप्लेन
असताना
करत
तुझं
नाही.
एक्सप्लेनेशन कम्प्लीट
ओन करायचं.
दुपारनंतर तुझं नाव आलंच त्यासाठी तू तयार नाही
जो पॉईंट असेल त्याच्यावर तू ओन बोलली पाहिजे. नुसतं पॉईंट वाचून बोलू.
कारण तुझ्याकडे 1.5
हां.
मिनिट आहे
आणि तुझ्याकडे क्वालिटी आहे.
1.5 मिनिटात तू बरंच काही बोलू शकत होतीस अजून तुझे सगळे मुद्दे तू छान घेतले त्याचे एक्सप्लेन कर त्याच्यामध्ये तू सुरुवातीला आत्ताची स्थिती सांगितली बरोबर तुझे सेकंड मुद्दा आपला जो आहे पण त्याच्यापुढे आज सध्याचे रोल मॉडेल्स तू एक्सप्लेन कर त्याच्यामध्ये
हां.
पण हे रोल मॉडेल रोल मॉडेल आहे पण तसं अजून डेप्थमध्ये जाण्याची गरज आहे
ओके ओके मॅम.
ओके ह्या गोष्टी ऍड करायचं त्याच्यामध्ये कारण 1.5 मिनिटात तू अजून खूप बोलू शकते
शुअर मॅम शुअर.
तुला एवढं तुझं चांगलं याच्यावर तुझी कमांड होती म्हणून तुझं हे सांगलं तरी जेव्हा तू प्रॅक्टिस केली तेव्हा तुझ्या 6 मिनिट 7 मिनिट लागले असतं एक्सप्लेनेशन पण आज तू पूर्ण फिट होतीस म्हणून तू एवढं बोलू शकतेस पण तुझा 1.5 मिनिट राहिला हा तुझा मायनसमध्ये आलं लक्षात तर त्यासाठी जर तू दुपारनंतर तुला बोलवलं परत तर त्यासाठी फिट म्हणजे अजून तयारी
शुअर मॅम.
And your opinion about it.
What do you mean, ma'am?
Your opinion.
In short,
My opinion on this is only one thing, that we women should be protected in India. Like, we have been seeing many cases that the system, I won't blame the system that much, but we need more penalty, like we need to see more on that. Recently a case happened about rape. There has been no justice served still. I think it should have been done immediately, soon. I think that's what I feel.